Hey, Kathleen here. I'm reviewing Melissa and Doug's Pet Vet playset. My 3-year-old granddaughter went absolutely nuts when she saw this. And the fact that it's got both these little stuffed animals in there, which have held up extremely well. And she even drags them around for walks and things like that, collars them and then drags them around. But all the things that you see here can fit right here in this little tote bag. And and then this little cone, she can even do this by herself. She's almost 4 now. So all the pieces, 24 pieces. It is extremely well made. The animals are extremely well made. It is extremely fun for the kids. We've played with it together and then her separately, but she did ask lots of questions. What is this for? What is this ointment for? What is this? What are all these things for? How do I use them? And I worked with her a little bit on that, and now she does the creative play on her own when I'm not available to play with her. So we love it.